Let's face it, in 2025, picking the wrong career move could cost you years of frustration, or worse, leave you stuck in a job AI is about to snatch away. Do you think picking a career is just about passion? Not really. There's a lot more to consider. You need to be mindful while planning your career this year. One misstep and you will be sidelined. Then, how do you make sure that you are not making any mistakes and taking the right step for your career? Today, we'll break down the biggest job market shifts of 2025, the mistakes to avoid, and the exact steps to make a smart career move. Hi, I'm Jyoti Pandey. We are here to help you build a successful career in 2025. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you want to get the latest career insights and guidance at every step of your career journey. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 major mistakes you should never make while selecting your career path. Stick around because avoiding these could be your ticket to career you love. Let's dive in. Do you think jumping on a trending career field without a plan would be smart? Please don't make this mistake. This will take you nowhere. In 2025, everyone's buzzing about AI, cybersecurity, and sustainability. So you should land a job in that domain, right? In reality, chasing a trend just because it's trending would be a mistake if you haven't made a proper plan of that. In 2024, companies were overwhelmed by generic AI specialists who did not stand out. You should never pick a career based on hype alone. It's like buying a stock at its peak. Instead, dig deeper. Ask yourself, does this align with my strength? Can I add a unique value? Passion plus purpose beats chasing shiny objects every time. What's your take? Have you ever been tempted by a hot trend? Write down your thoughts in the comments below. If you are not learning in 2025, you are losing. In today's fast evolving job market, standing still is the fastest way to fall behind. According to World Economic Forum's 2025 Future of Jobs report, nearly 50% of all employees will need reskilling by 2025 as automation and AI reshape industries. Yet too many professionals one day choose a career and assume their current skill will last them a lifetime. That's a mistake. Let's take cybersecurity professionals for example. With cyber threats evolving daily, platforms like TryHackMe and Hack the Box are essential for staying ahead of attackers. Similarly, digital marketers who once thrived on social media ads must now know or master voice search, SEO, AI-driven marketing, and analytical tool to remain competitive. Upskilling doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, enrolling specialized online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Simplilearn. Explore certifications on Google, AWS, or HubSpot relevant to your field. You can win only if you stay adaptable. The most valuable professionals of 2025 aren't those who know everything, but those who never stop learning. Follow your passion. Sounds nice until you are broke and unemployable. While pursuing your passion is commendable, it's crucial to align it with market demands to ensure a sustainable and fulfilling career. For instance, if you are enthusiastic about design, focusing on user experience and user interface design can be highly advantageous. These fields are among the top in-demand skills with roles like UX UI designers being highly sought after. Similarly, if storytelling captivates you, exploring influencer marketing or content creation can be a strategic move. In 2025, it's essential to balance your passion with practical considerations. Choosing a career that aligns with both your interests and market needs ensures that your passion translates into a viable profession rather than just remaining a hobby. No research is equal to no results. It's like gambling with your career. Embarking a career without thorough research is a risk. Utilizing platforms like LinkedIn and Glassdoor to analyze industry trends is essential to assessing factors such as growth potential, compensation, and job stability. Use LinkedIn. This professional networking site offers insights into industry trends and job market dynamics. Use Glassdoor. Known for company reviews and salary information, Glassdoor provides data on employee satisfaction and organizational stability. Researching a company's financial health and employee feedback can reveal its stability and work environment. Keep a check on the industry trends. Staying informed about industry development is crucial. For example, advancements in artificial intelligence are transforming job application processes, with AI tool assisting candidates in refining their job application to match job specification. Additionally, AI is being leveraged across various industries to enhance efficiency, meet growing demands, and equip professionals with the skills needed to stay job ready in an increasingly AI driven world. For example, in marketing, tools like ChatGPT and Jasper help create content, while HubSpot automated campaigns for better engagement. Security is getting smarter too, with AI powered platforms like Darktrace detecting cyber threats in real time. And accounting, tools like Xero and QuickBooks AI handle bookkeeping and financial forecasting, saving time and reducing errors. With AI streaming tasks across all industries, professionals who adapt will stay in demand and ready for the future. Remember, while making career decisions based on data and trends ensures informed choices, reducing the risk of unforeseen challenges. Underselling yourself in 2025? That's a career killer. In 2025, recognizing and showcasing your unique skills and experiences is extremely important. Building a comprehensive portfolio is essential. Whether it's a meticulously crafted Tableau dashboard or successful influencer marketing campaign, tangible evidence of your work speaks volumes. This approach aligns with the growing trend of skill-based hiring, where specific competencies are highly sought after. When it comes to compensation, self-assurance is the key. It's crucial to recognize that many employers anticipate salary negotiation. In fact, 70% of hiring managers expect candidates to counter initial offers. Overcoming self-doubt and advocating for your value benefits you financially and sets a precedence for your professional trajectory. Don't let imposter syndrome shrink your potential in a landscape where skills are new currency. Embrace your expertise, showcase your achievements, and negotiate confidently to secure the career you deserve. And there you have it. 5 mistakes you should never make while picking a career in 2025. Chasing trends, skipping skills, betting on passion alone, skipping research, and forgetting your value. The job market is brutal, but if you can avoid these mistakes and make your career plan with the right strategy, you will be ahead of the game. Now it's on you. Start researching, upskilling, and owning your worth. If this information was helpful to you in any way, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more career tips. See you in the next video.